Chase, first time on my YouTube, and that's how you feel? Kevin's sleeping. Kevin's sleeping right now. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Friday.
Turn off the light.
I need the light.
4 a.m. Yeah.
Kevin's up since 4 a.m., so he usually takes a nap for an hour and then goes back to work. But anyways, we
turn off the fucking light.
Kevin, I need the light for the camera.
You're blinding my soul, bro. It fucking hurts.
Caffeine.
This is bullshit.
Anyways, so I forgot to film my cardio this morning. I did 20 to 25 minutes at a 6 incline with 3.6 miles per hour. Chase is Snapchatting. Anyways, I just got this supplement in. So, Kevin, thoughts on fish oil?
You don't need how much was that?
$17. That's not even that bad.
Jesus.
So I'm trying out this Ghost fish oil.
For how many days?
I don't know. We're about to find out. Can I open it? Alright, so this is the Ghost fish oil. It's 60 tablets. I think you have to take. Is it 2 or 3 a day?
Well, since it's a 30-day supply, I would say 2.
1 to 2 times daily with food. So probably, depending on my weight and caloric intake, I probably got to take 2. I will say this, Ghost packaging is pretty sick.
Yeah, because I'm doing like 8
look
days
at
of
that,
cardio. What, David?
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's real cool, man.
It's nice. So it's got, for Kevin's purposes, it's got 11 fucking calories. I can't count that. So yes, I'm counting my macros, and I'm even gonna count this because it's 1.25 grams of fat. So we're gonna count that. It's got 998 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids, and it breaks it down, but it's pretty much, this is Ghost fish oil. That's their breakdown, if you guys want to know.
What is it?
You want to know the actual breakdown?
Yeah.
Alright, DHA 300 milligrams, EPA 450, 240. It's a mix of DPA and linolenic acid. Omega-5, 1 milligram, Omega-6, 80 milligrams, Omega-7, 14 milligrams, Omega-9, 90 milligrams. So the reason why I'm taking this is because I'm not getting my Omegas in. So we're going to see.
Yeah, because you know what? It's an age where we should just take a pill, right, guys?
Yeah.
Jesus.
I'm not eating anything with Omega-3s in them, or any fatty acids, really, right now. So I figured I'd supplement. So we're going to try these out and see how they work out. We're going to go spot out the Caffeine and Cars spot. It's at Phone Medic of Amarillo tomorrow, off of 34th in Georgia. But you'll probably be seeing this video after. But Chase and I are going to work on a sick edit together. And yeah, we'll see where the rest of the vlog goes.
Hashtag Kevin needs. You recording? Would it piss me off?
Alright, so Kevin just woke up from his little 5-minute nap. I don't know.
Honestly, I would have been fine, but Chase is fucking over here making out a cupcake. Like, Jesus Christ.
Why are you making out my dog, you weirdo? So we're headed over to go check out the spot for Caffeine and Cars tomorrow. Kind of show you guys what goes on behind the scenes to get this shit poppin'. Do you hear Yanni or Laurel?
I hear Lil Yachty. I think the new vets are nice. I don't know. I just have never liked vets.
Bang is better than Bang.
Like, I'd have to get like white Nike.
Are you talking about buying a
Air
vet right now?
Maxes or some shit. And some fucking jean shorts.
Kevin's talking about buying a vet.
And like a really loose, like Tommy Bahama shirt.
Rigo looks like the type of guy that'll drive a vet.
With his fucked up hairline, hell yeah.
Yes, he's a barber. Alright, this is Phone Medic of Amarillo. So we're checking out the spot for tomorrow. This is a huge parking lot, actually. There's going to be a ton of cars here. So we're just going to kind of map this out real quick. And I don't know why the fuck Chase is here.
We'll have those for sale tomorrow, and then that way... So do you know how many businesses total we have? And then that way we can kind of go in the parking lot and see kind of how we're going to set this up.
We're in the back of Phone Medic Amarillo. They fix your phone and shit.
Yeah. So basically what we're doing is we're just kind of game planning for tomorrow.
Are you allergic to average?
Or just fucking being an idiot.
So we're gonna block off this whole middle lot here, and we're thinking about lining up the vendors down the middle, and then just have cars on either side of the vendors. It's gonna be I think it's gonna be a really good turnout as long as we can get this blocked off. It's gonna be super cool.
Memphis, man.